All right, so this device has a password. This is going to be, if you get locked out of your device, this is going to be a faster way to do it. You can bypass passwords, use programs and stuff like that. But in this case, the customer just want me to reset it. So I'm going here down into it's not touchscreen, the power. And then at the same time, I'm going to click on the shift key and then I'm going to do restart. Right here, saving the restart and then enter. And then I'm not going to let go of the shift key right there. That will bring me to the recovery uh, screen. And then from there, we can try to reset it. So that's going to be, it's going to take a little time, but hopefully we can get there. Otherwise, we can just wipe the drive and reload the system, but this is going to be the best way to do it if the computer let us do it. So, all right, shutting down, going to restart soon. Okay, so it's preparing. As you can see, I'm not letting go of the shift key until we get to the screen. So that's right there. Okay, the computer is slow, so sometimes they power on a little faster. All right, if you like this, don't forget to follow. I do a lot of computer repairs, so please give it a like, follow, save these videos so that might help you in the future. Right now we got to that right here, so we have different options. Continue to Windows 11, use the device. If you have an external flash drive to start from, you can use that one, or we can go to troubleshoot. In this case, we're going to do troubleshoot, and then there we go. We got to the reset this PC. All right, so we click on there. We want to keep the file, so we want to remove everything. We want to remove everything. In this case, the customer says he doesn't need any files, anything from it. So we are just going to go ahead and click on it. So we do remove everything and we go to the next screen. All right, so now we go to cloud or local reinstall. So what I'm going to do is just do local reinstall. And unless the computer or the file system is corrupted, sometimes it won't let you do it. But if the computer is fine and if you just lost or forgot the password, you can just uh, do it. So this one we can do fully clean the drive, but it's gonna take a longer. If you are trying to sell your computer, I would recommend you doing the bottom one because it'll clean the drive and reinstall everything. This one is for the same customer, so we just remove files and it'll be a little faster. So we just click on it, reset this PC. It's gonna bring us to the next. So don't forget to save. I'm gonna upload this video. If you like what you're seeing, follow um, follow me. I do a lot of computer repairs. I have another one right here I'm working on. This one I'm gonna remove the solid state drive from it because it's dead and then install a different one. But I'm gonna show how to open these computers because sometimes it's a little trick um, to do it. So, all right, for this one right here, we go and then see, this is what you have to do. Remove all personal files and accounts on this device. So we just go ahead and do a reset. All right, and then the computer start resetting. So 1%, that's gonna be fast, depending on the hard drive. I'm gonna connect it to the power Otherwise, uh, the computer might shut down in the middle of it. And just make sure it has either good battery or is connected to the power. Otherwise, you will, um, if it shuts down in the middle of resetting the PC, you might need to reinstall the entire system. So just be aware of that. Right now, give it to the power, it's connected, and then I'm just gonna keep working on my other device while this one is done. All right, customer should be here probably like in 20 minutes or so, 30 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but that's it right now.